Let me show you how you can do Agile CRM import. There are two options of import into Agile CRM: import data directly from another cloud app into Agile, or set up import from a CSV file of your contacts, companies, and notes. Use Import to Wizard to do your import. In this video, you will learn how to import contacts and notes into Agile CRM. We start with an option to import data directly into Agile CRM from another app without CSV files. I will show you how it works. We will set up Contacts Import. To start using Import to Wizard, go to import2.com. You can get a free trial of Import to Wizard to check it out first. Type in your name, email, and select a password to sign up. On the Import to Wizard dashboard, select App-to-App Import. First, you select an app you import from. I have a list of apps here already added to my Wizard account. For the first time, press a plus sign and add a connections for the apps you use. I will import Google Contacts, but your contacts might be in any other app. Then select Agile CRM. On the next step, you have a list of pre-selected mappings. You can modify or add any. I will add some mappings. And map Google Contacts labels as tags in Agile CRM. Now your import is set up. Click Start Import and continue. On the next step, you can preview imported contacts with direct links to open them in Agile CRM. So this is the way you can import companies' contacts notes from any other popular app into Agile directly. Second import option is to import data from a CSV file. I have opened my sample CSV with notes in Google Sheets. To do Notes CSV import, select the feature called CSV Import. Select Agile. Here you have a list of data types you can import from a CSV. Then upload a CSV file with notes. On the next step, match data between CSV file and Agile Notes fields. Map the columns, fields you want to import. Subject is required field once importing notes into Agile CRM. I link note to contact and map the field contacts and select email here, since this is what I have in my CSV in this column. Once you have mapped the fields, press to start the import. Then you get a preview of which notes are imported into Agile CRM. That's it. You have learned to import data into Agile CRM. Subscribe now to our channel not to miss videos about import and export of business data.